Okay, in less than 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule a post using Instagram. It's a very simple process. Once you see it once, you'll never forget it. So let's open up Instagram and jump into it. Okay, so like I said, this process is very simple. Once you see it, you'll never forget it. Once you open up Instagram, you're going to want to hit the plus button. Sometimes it's at the very bottom, or if you have some of the newer updated versions of Instagram, it's going to be at the top left or on the top right. So I'm going to select the plus button on the top left there, and I'm going to select Reel. So once I select that, I'm going to choose which video I actually want to schedule. So I'm going to schedule this one right here, and I'm going to hit next. Once I'm there, I want to make sure that my video is all ready to go. I don't want to make any last minute edits. Once I'm good to go, I'm going to hit next again. From here, this is where you're going to put your caption. So this is my caption right here. And then from there, we're going to just make sure we add our location. We're going to add whether we want everyone to see it or just close friends or whatever the case. I suggest that everyone sees it so you can maximize how many people you're reaching, really kind of just maximize that reach. From there, we're going to want to go all the way to the bottom. So if you're all the way at the bottom, you see more options. And so once you hit more options, you're going to see the sharing preferences section. And from there, you're going to hit schedule this reel. From here, you can schedule it for 2, 3, 4 weeks ahead of time. I'm not sure if there is online. It will let you schedule all the way to December 9th. So about a month out. So let's say I want to schedule that for December 1st. I'm going to hit done, make sure the time and the date makes sense, and always hit that upload at highest quality. Once you're there, you're done. So all you do is go back to the main feed that you're going to share it. You will see the schedule option on the bottom right. And that is exactly how you schedule a post using Instagram. If you're interested in other features or other tools that could make your social media life easier and really maximize the efficiency of what you're doing on social media, click this video right here that goes over a full tutorial on how to use a very cool mini chat feature to automate some of the process that you do on Instagram.